Hi everyone, I'm Emily and today we are extracting star poison, aka iron, from our cereal. Iron is important for humans to eat because this creates hemoglobin, which is a protein that helps transport oxygen in our blood, but it is first created in the center of a massive star. Stars are like big, bright, beautiful engines that turn lighter elements into heavier ones. In really massive stars, hydrogen is fused to create helium, which is then fused to create carbon, and then oxygen, and then silicon, and eventually silicon is fused into iron. And I am so sorry to tell you this, my stellar friend, but this is the start of your demise. Iron is like a poison to stars. That's because fusing silicon to create iron costs more energy than it produces. And so depending on how massive the star is, that star will eventually explode into a supernova, collapse into different types of neutron stars, or become a black hole. Regardless, iron was the start of its downfall, and we can extract it from cereal. We are going to learn how to extract iron from cereal in two different ways. The first way requires cereal with iron in it, a plastic bag, water, a strong magnet. I got this one off Amazon. And then a way to crush your cereal into like a fine powder. I'm gonna use a food processor, but if you don't have that, maybe a mortar and pestle or just like by hand. It might take a little while, but try to get it into a fine powder. For the second method, you just need cereal in a plastic bag. For the cereal, I've tested cereal that has 90% of the daily recommended value of iron and also cereal that has 45% of the daily recommended value of iron. So I know, at least in my experience, if you get cereal with at least 45% of the daily recommended value of iron, then it should work. So the first thing that you want to do using our first method is to take a few cups of cereal and just throw it in to your food processor. Then go ahead and grind that up. Once you've done that, put that in your bag. Now that we have that in our bag, add water to it so you make kind of like this sludgy cereal mixture. Once you have your sludge, go ahead and hold your bag like this, and I find that it's helpful to put the corner of the bag right there and just kind of massage your magnets over it. You can already see dark filings coming together. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna bring them all down in the corner so they're easier to see. And it's not very much, but if you look closely, you can see the black iron in the corner of our bag right there. How cool is that? You can extract that with a magnet. You can even see that tip of our bag is attracted to the magnet. See that? That's the iron in our cereal. The second way to extract iron from cereal is to just pour a bunch in a bag and add water to it. Once you've done that, just zip your bag and wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your bag will look like this. It kind of just dissolves into the water. Take your magnet and do the same thing we did before. I find it easiest to just like hold it like this. Yeah, you can see it. The more cereal you add, the more iron you'll be able to find. Oh, look at that. I can make it move around. It's like little ants marching in our cereal. And that is how you extract star poison, aka iron, from your cereal.